Hey boys and girls, welcome to Spelling. It is Monday, April 20th. So if you are here, make sure that you have all of the proper materials. You need to make sure that you have your letter tiles prepared. If you don't, then go ahead and pause the video and then get your letter tiles ready and then come back. If you are here, let's just double check and make sure that you have the correct letter tiles. So you need an I, a U, C, H, K, M, N, and P. All right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Remember, I'm going to give you clues, or I will tell you a word to build, and then in front of you, you're just going to arrange your letter tiles, making sure that all of the sounds are represented in the word, and making sure that you think the letters are in the proper spot. Okay? All right, let's get started. The first word you're going to build is the word in. In. Right now, I am in our classroom. In. All right, you should have I, N, in. Okay. The next word you're going to build is the word up. Up. The bird flew up in the air. Up. All right, boys and girls, how do you spell the word up? Great job. I heard you. P. Up. Nice job. Now you're going to add a letter to the beginning of the word cup that makes the k sound. Now be careful because we have two letters this week that make the k sound, and only one of them will work for this particular word. All right, so the word you built was actually what? Cup. Great job. Now, to spell the word cup, which one makes more sense? Because we have two options. We have C, which makes the k sound, like in cat, and then we have K, which makes the k sound like in kangaroo. So which one works? Is it C, U-P, or K, U-P? If you said C, you are exactly right. Okay? So C, U, P. All right. The next word is the word pin. 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 On my lanyard, I have a couple of pins. Pin. All right, boys and girls, how do you spell the word pin? In pin. So one of the words we already built earlier was in. So we just added the p sound to the beginning to make it pin. Nice job. Now you're going to use these same three letters to build the word nip. So using these same three letters in pin, but rearranging them, spell the word nip. N-I-P, nip. All right, boys and girls, how do you spell the word nip? Very nice. N-I-P, nip. Great job. All right. Next, you're going to keep the ending sound, ip, and you're going to replace the beginning sound to make the word chip. Chip. All right. What did you guys come up with? C-H-I-P, chip. Very nice job. So C-H makes what sound again? Ch, 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 ch. Very nice. Okay. Now you're going to keep the beginning sound of chip, So, ch, ch. And you're going to replace the ending sound with the word in. So rebuild that word in. You're taking that P away, and you're adding a letter to make it in. All right, what did you guys add? The letter N? Great job. So how do we spell the word chin? C-H-I-N, chin. So we have two sounds there, ch, in, chin. Okay, very nice. Now you're going to use these same four letter tiles, the same ones you have in front of you, to build the word inch, inch. So using just these four letter tiles, how do you spell the word inch? All right, boys and girls, how do you spell the word inch? Great job. I-N-C-H, inch. Very nice. Okay. Now you are going to build the word much, much, much. Right? How do you spell the word much? I heard ch, much, M-U-C-H, much. Great job. Now you're going to add, I'm going to do some rearranging here actually. Let me pause for a moment, move this down. My eyes get a little distracted when all of the letter tiles are kind of bunched up together. So moving that down. All right. So we are going to add a letter to the word much to make it munch. So we're adding a letter to the word much to make munch. So say that word out loud. What sound are you hearing that we need to add into the word much to make it munch? Okay. Now, how do you spell the word munch? M-U-N-C-H. So, ch, munch. Very nice job. All right. We've got a few more. Two more and then our secret word. So you are going to replace the beginning sound with a letter that will make this word punch. Punch. All right. So how do you spell the word punch? P-U-N-C-H. Punch. Very nice job. All right, and now you are going to replace the vowel in the word punch with the only other vowel we have available. So we only have two vowels this week. You're replacing the vowel in punch with the other vowel that we have this week. All right. Now, what word did you build when you traded out the letter U for the letter I? Pinch. Very nice job. And how do we spell the word pinch, class? P-I-N-C-H. Pinch. Now, ready for this secret word? Okay. Don't forget, you have to use all of the letter tiles, every single one of them. Every single one of them. So I'm going to move them all up here. I'm going to give you a minute. Try to think about what were some of the patterns you noticed we made a lot today. Try to use some of the patterns that we made a lot today to help you figure out what the secret word is. I bet if you start with one of the patterns you noticed we used a lot today, you can figure out what the word is this week. Now I'll give you a clue. Here's clue number 1. The secret word this week is actually a compound word. So it's 2 words put together. Anybody got it yet? Okay, I'm going to give you another clue. The first chunk is the name of a type of snack food. The first chunk of the word is the name of a snack food. If I can get it. Okay, I'm going to make it here. Think you know what it is going to be? Chip? Okay. How about now? Can you get it now? Here's the last clue. The secret word this week is the name of an animal. Did anyone get it? Okay. If you didn't, and if you did, double check my work. But if you didn't, see if you can read this. Boys and girls, what is our secret word this week? Chipmunk. And how do we spell the word chipmunk? C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. Very nice job, boys and girls. So today you're going to use your letter tiles to build words, and then you're going to write 12 of them onto your word grids. And then you're going to go to Seesaw to submit your work to me. Good luck. Have fun.